So what is the first thing that comes to your mind whenever you hear the name DLF as a brand? Trust, loyalty, one of the leading developers of India who has built its legacy in the past 30 years, a sense of satisfaction that comes to your mind that I own a property of DLF in my real estate portfolio, a legacy that you can give it to your next upcoming generations. You feel proud to own a property of DLF. DLF is a larger than life, DLF is larger than a brand. DLF is something that everybody wants to own in their portfolio. But whenever DLF's new launch comes, there's always an eye on its price. There's always a buzz. There is always a hype around DLF. When we are seeing that, people are saying that there will be a correction in the market. So people are anticipating that kya DLF bikega. So basically, I want to ask this question to my audience, especially to my viewers, the investors who have given their check in South Privana and took it back after listening ki the launch price was somewhere around 17,000 rupees. I want to ask question to those brokers or consultants जिन्होंने DLF में अपने investors का check वापस ले लिया था at the price of 19,000 rupees. And last but not the least, I want to ask the question to all the investors जिन्होंने अपना check दिया, जिन्होंने allotment कराई, who are currently the investors in South and West Privana. What premiums have you got till now? So in this video, I would like to answer all these questions regarding DLF. So hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Chadda. So in this video, let's understand the hype around DLF Phase 6. So DLF's last launch was in the year 2024 in April, where they came up with DLF West Privana at a price of 19-20,000 rupees per square feet. And just before that, 3 months back, they also launched South Privana, which was their first launch on SPR Road at a price of 16,500 to 17,000 rupees per square feet. But I want my audience to just go back a little and just recall when DLF launched their project on Extension Road by the name of Arbor. Well, that is the stage where Gurgaon real estate market was thriving for that type of a peak. And we just saw with this project, jahan pe EOI, the term was invented in Gurgaon real estate market, and everybody after that launch, every builder started taking EOIs. Well, I have a question from all the investors जिन्होंने Arbor लिया हुआ है. I want that कि please comment me in the comment box कि what is the premium right now. Any guesses? Well, I will leave this to my audience. Please tell me in the comment box. So viewers, before you go and watch the comment section, I will like to ask all my audience that why do you think that there is so much of premium on DLF Arbor right now? Well, 90% of the viewers will say DLF hai, so there has to be a premium. But there is other side of the coin also. They have come up with that type of a typology in entire Gurgaon real estate market, which was never seen before. One community, one living. Imagine a condominium where you see a 28-acre land of development, and under one roof 1100 families will be staying with the same mentality, with the same mindset. This is what DLF is making on Extension Road. क्या आप मुझे एक भी ऐसा नाम बता सकते हैं जो कि similar हो, community living के साथ आ रहा हो on Extension Road? You will not be able to find a single project on Extension like that. And that is the USP of that project, and that is the reason why there's so much of premium on Arbor. So now let's talk about DLF Phase 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तो सुना था. ये DLF Phase 6 क्या है? See, on SPR Road, DLF has land of more than 500 acres where they are coming up with a residential and a commercial land. आपने already DLF South और West का launch देख चुके हो at a price of 17,000 to 20,000 rupees. But do you know that what was the price of SPR Link Roads, specifically talking about sectors like 76, 77, before any of the launch of DLF? Well, the new launches were coming at 7,000, 8,000. The only reason was there was no infrastructure, there was no roads, there was no greenery. ऐसा लगता था कि you are going through a jungle. But after the launch of South Privana, we saw a significant amount of spike in the entire SPR Road market. And after the launch of West Privana, we saw that the builders started coming up with a price range of more than 15,000 on SPR Road. So viewers, you have to understand that DLF Phase 6 is not all about sectors. It is all about that ecosystem which DLF is going to create in next few years, say 7 or 8 years. All the investors who have invested with DLF, either South or West Privana, they had a vision, and definitely their vision is also paying them off, because ऐसे बहुत सारे consultants थे on YouTube which I've also heard, they said that कि 16,500 का price बहुत ज़्यादा है on SPR road and you should not enter, and because of that a lot of investors have also lost the opportunity to buy in DLF. But if I talk about current market scenario, so DLF Privana South is having a premium of more than 70 lakh rupees right now. DLF Privana West may, the transfer is not open from the builder's end, but if you go and buy any cancellation unit from DLF, you will end up paying a premium of say 2.5 CR. So these are some staggering numbers that we have already seen in the past, and all the viewers must have seen this news also, where DLF has claimed they have sold more than 111 inventories in just 72 hours, and that too whopping worth 70 to 100 crores. Well guys, these are mind-boggling numbers, but yes, it is DLF, so you can expect everything from them. And as you have also heard that DLF is working quite hard on now DLF Dahalias, and the staggering number is also coming up there as well. But at the end of the day, it is important to understand that if you want to be a part of DLF, you want to be a part of DLF One Community One Living, then you have to have a vision. You need to have a horizon of say 7 to 8 years. So if you have a vision or a horizon of say 7-8 years and you have missed out on an opportunity to buy any of the previous launches of DLF, then there is a new launch coming up again where you can be a part of this One Community One Living, and that too have an investment with DLF. See, because of RERA guidelines, we will not be able to share much information. If you want to know further details, then I have given the query form in the description box. You can go back, you can fill that, or you can WhatsApp me, #DLF. Me and my team will definitely share the maximum information with you. So viewers, before I sign off, I'd like to share one more thing, that DLF's any project is not about FOMO. It's not about the hype. It's all about the legacy. It's all about the hard-earned money that investors put in for a longer period of time, for 7-8 years, to create a generational wealth. So before you lose this opportunity, just think about it once. This is Saurabh Chadha signing off. Once again, I'll say, keep investing, but safely.